So that's kind of the first thing there, is how do we get people to see your product off the bat and want to click on your particular product, right? So there's a couple of ways that you can do that. So one thing that, and then I'm going to go into what you could do moving forward in terms of your actual brand. So if we look at this particular product here, Breeze, right? The weighted stuffed animal, you can see instantly what they've actually done. I'm going to open up their listing here. So what they've actually done is they've picked a dinosaur that I have not seen on Amazon, right? I have not seen on Amazon yet. So they got their completely unique original dino weighted blanket, right? So that's a big thing they've done. The second thing they've actually done is, if you have a look, they've actually used their tag as a form of a billboard or advertising, right? So they've taken advantage of that. So you can see they've got the weight on there, 0% harmful substances, which is going to be very important. And they also have sustainable packaging. So that's the second thing they've actually done there. And then if we start to look at their actual images, you can see that by their images, it's more of a, really a brand. They're showing the different ways that you can actually use it, on how they can actually use it, right? Which I think is quite special, right? They're really invoking emotion in their actual images, right? So that's extremely important. Even this one here reduces stress and anxiety. And from what I can see there, the customer avatar, or their target market, is really going to be adults and kids. Now, if you are just focusing purely on kids, then what I would be saying is to look at your images for sure, right? So if we have a look at your images, so we have that image there, which is a lovely image. But again, if we're going to be focusing on toddlers and travel, right, then what I want to be doing is I actually want to see this particular product with images just focus on toddlers and also traveling with the actual product itself. So the images can definitely, you can definitely work on them 100%. But let's go back to what we can do to actually improve your conversion right now. And probably the quickest way that you can actually differentiate, an opportunity that I've seen just now in this particular market. So if we go back here for a second and we look, and we can see that a lot of the images are kind of, very similar. I mean, this one kind of stands out because the kid's in there, right? But one thing that I would do if I was you is I'd probably look at changing your hero image. And I kind of mentioned this a few times. Well, let me go back there. I've mentioned this a few times to a lot of the members. Just changing your hero image alone is going to improve your click-through. Now, improving your click-through is going to improve your conversion slightly if you don't change anything on the page. But it's important that we make them click on our product as opposed to someone else's. That's the very first thing that we want to do. So when people are looking for a mountain of products, we want to give them a reason why they want to click on ours. Now, one good reason they could click on yours instead of anyone else's is if we go back to your actual listing, which I love your branding, by the way. I love this image, right? I think this is a brilliant, brilliant image. And it's actually a great image to have on your hero.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.